Hey guys, this is the most popular AI fridge which can bring the customer the best shopping experience. Let me show you. You just need to tap the card. I can open the door. The customer can get the desired product. Like this and this. And if you don't want to get the product, you don't have to worry when you put it back. Our camera will automatically recognize it. In addition, another big advantage of our machine is that it's very convenient to replenish goods. There is no fixed ISO restriction. You can put anything you want, such as different size of ice cream and different size of drinks. So contact me and buy an AI smart fridge, expand your business.